Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Volvo's next fully electric model, the all-new Volvo ES90. It's only weeks away from its grand debut, and let me tell you, it's a true game changer. First things first, the ES90 is built on Volvo's Superset tech stack, which means it has one cohesive set of hardware and software modules that will power every future electric Volvo. As a software-defined car, it's designed to evolve over time, so you can expect continuous improvements to safety, connectivity, and performance. No trip back to the dealership required. Under the hood, or should I say under the code, the ES90 boasts a dual NVIDIA DRIVE AGX Orin configuration. That might sound like a mouthful, but here's what it really means. It's the most powerful Volvo car ever created when it comes to core computing capacity. With around 508 trillion operations per second at its disposal, this system handles everything from AI-based safety features to efficient battery management, and it can learn and adapt as you drive. This futuristic approach doesn't stop at fancy numbers, though. Thanks to its high-level computing power, Volvo can grow its deep learning model from 40 million to an incredible 200 million parameters over time. The result? A car that stays at the cutting edge of technology and keeps boosting its performance with every over-the-air update. Remember, the ES90 is built on the same SPA2 architecture that underpins the EX90, and both ride on that Superset tech stack. So, if one model gets a nifty new software feature or a safety enhancement, the other benefits too. It's like having a best friend who shares all their coolest toys. Everyone wins. And speaking of safety, the ES90 goes above and beyond with its safe space technology. We're talking 1 LiDAR, 5 radars, 8 cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. These work together to detect obstacles, even in darkness, and help avoid potential collisions. It's peace of mind designed to protect you and your loved ones every time you hit the road. Volvo's Chief Engineering and Technology Officer, Anders Bell, sums it up perfectly. The ES90 is one of the most technically advanced cars out there, built to get better with time. It's a car that places people first, using technology to deliver a comfortable, connected, and truly future-ready ride. So gear up and get ready, because the Volvo ES90 is about to redefine what it means to drive a safe, smart, and ever-evolving electric vehicle. Stay tuned for more.